Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, the stock market. So this is a new video, and today I'm going to talk about CD PROJEKT RED. And you know my videos about CD PROJEKT RED. I know you love those videos, so therefore it is about time on this beautiful Sunday, where there's obviously no trading going on, to talk about these stocks. But also check out my other videos. So yeah, a video where I'm trading actually Luna too. This was kind of fun. I made like 300 euros with this. So high risk, don't do it now. So this trade is over. Luna is dead. So yeah, at this point I think I can already say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor myself, a YouTuber. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. Don't invest in anything I'm talking about here. You're going to lose all your money. Let's go back, guys. So CD PROJEKT RED, this is where we stand. 104 zloty. So I told you guys, so if we break through here, then we will really fall back to hopefully some supports here. But we're halfway through, and the Nasdaq was doing not so bad the other week. So the Nasdaq was not doing so bad. I'm always trying to compare it actually to growth stocks, so maybe I have to start to compare to other gaming stocks from Poland. But if we look here, so I would say the Nasdaq, I think the Nasdaq will fall again. So they're just putting this here on the sideline, of course, parenthesis closed. But on the other hand, so Nasdaq was not doing so bad, but CD PROJEKT RED was doing bad. And on Friday, again, 3.46% down. So, and I would say we broke this little trend line here. Sorry, not trend line. The trend line we broke here. But what we broke here is actually a little support that I thought that would be created. So no, the support is not going to be created. So there is a high probability from a mere technical point of view, guys, a mere technical point of view. You see where we are in the overall Fibonacci retracement. We are here at the red part of the Fibonacci retracement. And then, yeah, I would think there's a chance that we falling down to the 90 zlotys, and then that's a massive loss, guys. So then we're somewhere there where the stock has been in 2017. So 2022, I always said, will be a kind of a dead year for the substance of CD PROJEKT RED, but it doesn't mean that the stock has to be dead for this year. So at one point the stock might get again some positive momentum, but at the moment it looks like it will drop some more. So, and I have to honestly tell you guys, I'm like over 1% invested in CD PROJEKT. So I told you this already several times before, and this means I'm also in the minus because I'm around about 220 zloty, I think. So from the retrospective, it looks like I bought way too early. So I didn't buy on the way up there, and I didn't, and I bought actually then here a little bit on the way down to, I thought there would be a rebound possibility, but nope. After the feeling of some consolidation, we broke it and we are back in nirvana, in no man's land. So it looks not good for the CD PROJEKT. So this stock is really hurting a lot of retail investors, probably if you're still invested in it. So what is maybe useful? Yeah, that's the Nasdaq, of course. So I'm not talking today too much about the overall market situation, but we can have a look at the CD PROJEKT main page. And what are we seeing there? Nothing. It's the Witcher 3 Walton, Cyberpunk, that's it. So, and then of course they have a lot of jobs and a lot of people losing jobs at the moment in the US, but also in Europe. So, but they still have a lot of jobs, and that's a good thing. So obviously, but for the rest, not a lot going on, guys. So a DLC I think is coming out, and I also think I read that the next gen version of Cyberpunk was quite successful. So, and if we go to CD PROJEKT in Google Finance, you see this beautiful down trading in one day on Friday. It's beautiful, ugly, so to put it like this. So from the whole year, from the beginning of the year until today, we lost like 48%. So in comparison, probably to some of the growth stocks from the pandemic times on the Nasdaq. So this is not so much, but hey, guys, it's still terrible. So from the top where we are now, minus 76%. I wish I would have sold here. That's what everyone is saying that is now invested in it. So do we have some more information? I mean, it's a company from 94, so I stay invested long term. But honestly, it hurts. It hurts. For long-term investors, it hurts, and I really hope, guys, that they're able to have a comeback. So I really want to see Witcher 4 actually really pushing this company a little bit back on the stabilization, on the growth track. So that's kind of important. So what happens if we going to go on their Twitter, and what do we see? Oh, we see rainbow colors. So probably a lot of you like this a lot. So I'm not commenting this now. So what are they talking? For us, an open world shouldn't be limited to video games. Acceptance and inclusiveness are part of our DNA, and we always encourage all Reds to take pride in who they are. This month is no different. We'll boost our knowledge about equality and the history of the LGBTQ+ movement with Trooper Stonewall. Show off our brand new bright t-shirts and together hand in hand, blah blah blah. So guys, all fine, all fine. I have no problem with this. It's absolutely okay. So everyone should be happy, and everyone should be happy, and it doesn't matter who you are. So I mean, no brainer. Come on, no brainer. So we recently had a Green Friday, Inside Green. So but that's a joke, because they had a Green Friday, but investors didn't have a Green Friday. So we are thrilled that CD Projekt is listed among the most advanced employers in Poland in terms of managing diversity and inclusion. The list is based on research conducted by. This is all cool if it really helps for the company to grow and for the stock to go up, because I'm a stock investor, so I don't care about diversity, to put it bluntly. I care about a higher valuation of the company. I want to gain money. I want to earn money with this company. So that's my project. So, but as I said, if this is all fine, all this diversity is fine, do it if it helps us as a shareholder of this company. So, I mean, yeah. All right. So I'm not logged in, so I'm leaving this here then. All right. So guys, let's go back to the stock, and then let's see if we get some diversity from this downward trend. So some diversity to the upside. This would be cool. Back to the green. Do you have some more green days, except of a red day? So obviously. And with that, I'm leaving it here, guys. I wish you a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye bye.